Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a smoky eye makeup tutorial. So without further delay, let's begin. To create this look, I'm using this Maybelline kajal. First, I am going to use this kajal on my top lash line. Then I am going to smudge this kajal using a Q-tip. Now I am applying some brown eyeshadow and blending it with the help of my finger. Applying some mascara to complete the look. So here is the final look guys. Hope you have fun watching this, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.